ओके यार 6 दिन हो गए हैं। आज फिर मैं आया हूँ यहाँ पे देखने ढूंढने, नहीं मिला अभी तक खेल। और मुझे नहीं लगता वो इसी एरिया में है, वो चला गया होगा गाड़ी में किसी के साथ कहीं अंदर लग लुक के। तो अभी मैं इसको यहाँ पे लेके आऊँ स्नो को यहाँ पे चेक करवाऊँगा। और उसकी टांग में कोई मसला है, वो रुक रुक के चलती है, लिम्पिंग बोलते हैं, लंगड़ा रही है वो। तो उसको जो है चेक करवाएंगे। एक्सरे करवाया अभी दूसरी तरफ, रोड के दूसरी तरफ। मेरे ख्याल में उसका कोई 350 ग्राम इतने का वो था। अभी डॉक्टर के पास एक्सरे आ गया, वो चेक करेगा, क्योंकि इनके पास एक्सरे मशीन नहीं है यहाँ पे, तो वो यहाँ पे चेक नहीं कर सकते। तो वहाँ पे जो है चेक करवाया, वो क्रॉस द रोड, वो सामने जूम पंप है, पंप के साथ वेट है एक वहाँ पे। वहाँ से फिर इधर आए। अब यहाँ पे जो है ऐसे चेक करवा के उसके बाद इसको वापस लेके जाना है। और अभी मैंने जाना भी है। फिर इसके बाद जाएंगे मॉल ऑफ एमिरेट्स। वहाँ पे मुझे जो है वो अपना क्या कहते हैं शेव करवानी है। कल निकलना है वापसी के लिए। कल दोपहर में निकलेंगे, फिर किसी लॉन्च में जाके बैठते हैं, चेक करते हैं क्या सीन है। मेरे पास 2-3 कार्ड है जिन पर लॉन्च अलाउ है, तो कौन सा वाला होगा कल पता चलेगा एयरपोर्ट पे। एमिरेट्स है फ़्लाइट, तो मेरे ख्याल में वो अच्छा मिल जाएगा शायद। एनीवेज ऑनलाइन चेक इन भी मैंने कर लिया है, बट लगेज आपको सबमिट करवाना पड़ता है। ऑनलाइन चेक इन की सेपरेट लाइन होती है, ज़्यादा रश नहीं होता वहाँ पे। तो देखते हैं क्या होता है। वो सामने एयरपोर्ट कह रहा हूँ, वो सामने पार्क में टिकटॉक बन रही है। ओके मुर्शिद, हम पहुँच आए हैं। 1 मिनट। ओके हम पहुँच आए हैं बाबा बार्बर के पास। दुकान इट्स क्लोज्ड, लाइट्स आर ऑफ, लाइट्स आर ऑफ। बाबा बार्बर तो बंद है वो सामने।
It's it kasi.
What time they open?
Let's check.
Or we should go back.
Nothing else.
There are more on this side. You wanna go try this new one?
Yeah.
Okay.
But the lights are on the ano is open.
Yeah,
the
because they
baba.
will open again maybe 7 because it's iftar time. अभी प्रॉब्लम बन गया ये तो, बड़ा मसला।
Bada masla.
We go this way. There are restaurants.
Okay, bada masla.
You are hungry already, right? हाँ, ये वर्षा का इलाका है मुर्शिद।
We should have checked first. Maybe it will open, then we eat, then we go back.
So we wait there.
We check if it will open. No, we don't wait. We just check if they'll open, then we eat, then we go back. If they will not open, we look for a new one, then eat.
सही कह रही हैं, तो सही कह रही हैं। हाँ?
Gandu stupid.
Gandu रोशनी कम हो गई है, ऑलमोस्ट रात होने वाली है। सूरज नीचे जा रहा है, वो सामने जो है फुल टाइम इस वक्त वो जो इलाका है ना, ये वाला सामने इस वक्त बेहतरीन हो जाता है। जुमेरा बीच साइड खूबसूरत व्यूज़ है वहाँ के, क्योंकि
This is all Babas pa rin.
सूरज
Babas
गरूब हो
Burger,
रहा है।
Babas.
Everything is Baba here. The Baba Rest Cafe before is
Yeah.
one guy who invested in this area.
Baba is the Baba.
Baba everywhere. You Baba?
Bobo.
Baba
You
ka
Baba.
Baba.
Oh,
They
see,
will open.
the Babas building is good also. Look.
It's newly painted. Everything
Correct.
is painted newly and
Check
freshly. हर जगह ऐसी गाड़ियाँ खड़ी होती हैं पार्किंग में, हर जगह ये गाड़ी तो इतने लोगों ने ली है ना, पता नहीं इस गाड़ी में क्या ऐसी बला चीज़ है जो ये लेते हैं। मेरे पास ये सस्ती है और सबसे बेहतर यही लगती है। स्पोर्ट्स कार में शेवरले की है। बाबा जो है लाइटें बंद करके गया हुआ है। मेरे ख्याल से बाबा को कॉल करेंगे हम। विल कॉल बाबा।
Baba.
Very-
Quiet nose.
Where are you Baba? Baba is on break Baba.
Baba is babaing.
Life isn't perfect.
Oh, I can bring my dress to Baba then.
Tailoring also. You give to Baba na?
It should get.
Give to Baba.
But
Baba
the
tailoring, Baba barber shop, Baba
No,
food,
tailoring is best lang.
Baba everything. Okay, so I've been through the whole area of Satwa Care on my Kareem bike. No place to be found. My boy Kale is missing still. Hopefully, when I go back, I'll go back again. I read somewhere they say go out around after 2 months or so, so I'll give it
And
some
bring
more
a
time.
litter or something to ring.
I'll bring some of his stuff also next time, so maybe he will show up, or maybe he went into a car. The guy drove the car somewhere, so he is nowhere to be found near that area. It's his destiny or whatever you call that. Maybe he's halfway on the ground somewhere, beach, you know.
If
But if he's there near some people, maybe the people, he likes people, so he'll show up to somebody and ask for something. That's for sure. But if he's somewhere out in the desert, he's no more in my thinking right now. It'll be done because there's no food, no water on the desert.
mix it, there's an oil.
Here's my hot and sour chicken soup. I'm running on soup nowadays because
Maybe ask for water.
don't want to eat much. My boy is outside hungry somewhere. What do you need?
Water.
Water? Okay, look at this. Let's try. There's mutton. Mutton chicken. Good. It's not super spicy, but you can get chili oil, right? Get chili oil. After eating, we go back to bar, but the guy said you come back around 7:30. We were there 6:45, and that's early. We'll go back after eating here. I think it's 7:10 already, so maybe we have 30-40 more minutes. You said rice or? He didn't have any paper with him, that's why.
It's okay.
Okay, boys.
You can eat it as well.
वॉन्टोन और या डम्पलिंग कहते हो फ्राइड है, ये नूडल्स हैं श्रिम्प और उसके साथ थैंक यू व्हाट डू यू कॉल दिस एनॉनमेंट
I forgot
This is
that
chow
there's
mein?
a noodles sponge.
these are kind of noodles. This is my second time eating here. First time we went here I had no knowledge.
I'm not meant to eat rice. That's why they give me.
That's why they gave you this. They know your prescriptions already, right? And they know the prescriptions also. Oh, wait a minute.
Eat this out.
Oh, it's spicy or it's regular?
You can put this on.
Let's
Make
try
it
this.
spicy.
It will be hot. What's this? Sweet and sour sauce. Let's try this. These are good. They have their own sauce. This one's different. Oh, drip it.
Good.
Sweet.
Good.
This is sweet. Wow, chutney की तरह. This is kind of sweet with let's try this last. This is also.
This is just
A lot of chili oil. Heart attack is on the way. Listen. Okay, boys, why do people do this when you're at the ATM and the notes are not accepting? So the guy behind you be like this all the time. I just tried 2 times and it's not working, but the guy goes every 2 minutes. It's like Bo Bakra, so I just moved on. Okay, so we end up over here. This Timmy's at the Timmy's. This guy first time said he's from China. I said no way you're from China. I think he's from somewhere
hot French
Nepal or
vanilla
something.
medium.
What will you
French
get?
vanilla hot.
hot. There is French vanilla hot. Where are you sitting? That side? Okay. It's quite new, this place. So, boss, can I get one iced latte and one iced French
Oh, no, hot.
hot? Hot French vanilla.
One hot French vanilla size.
Medium.
You would like to add with cream caramel tops?
No, no, nothing. Just
Ice latte size.
Medium 5.
Ice latte any flavor? Caramel, hazelnut,
No
vanilla.
flavor. You want what?
later.
Red velvet?
One red velvet.
No, later. I'm still later.
Think about it.
Application remote.
I don't. After this, Popeye will be here with the memory. Oh, with the graphics card. I gave him my graphic cards like 2 months ago, 3 months ago. He was playing Dota. We used to play the same game back in 2014 when we are living in Karama together in a partition. So you have a partition window side, then you have 2 PCs set up, big long table, and then 2 big screens. It's like 27-inch, same 144 hertz was his screen at that time, and mine was 340 or 320, something like that. That was very good. So when we used to play this Dota and PUBG all night long, it's like on weekends only. It was very good time. A lot of games, food. We ordered middle of the night. There is a combo of 6 burgers and plus fries and drinks. What was it? Hardee's. No Hardee's.
Hardee's.
It was Hardee's. Yeah, we used to get that in the middle of the night, around 2 or 3. When me and Popeye living together there in Karama, we used to play video games. You was there also?
With Tonton.
She was there.
We were
Yeah. Remember
Exact
she?
4.
Exact 4. Yeah.
Now
That
we
was
have-
good time.
Now we live on our own.
But that was good.
You know
also.
their house is like a rat hole,
yeah.
right? That
Yeah,
thing,
yeah.
and then
Yeah. So it's like small alleyway. You cross straight. Like one guy can cross only. Then you take right. Then you have
not the
to.
Karama, ha, the next to Lulu. The next to Lulu.
Yeah, next to Lulu is the same also. It's was
No,
same.
but the Karama is acceptable.
Yeah. But there was the first one was when you remember we picked up the table from the roadside, bring it when me and Popeye has 2 PCs of same table next to the window. It was
We went
the old
there
building.
inside the room with a lot of guys.
Yeah, that one next to it. So we used to live so many places. She's been to many of the places, and she's not scared
And
also.
arte, that's only he can do.
Yeah.
I cannot
I used
arte.
to.
Oh my god.
So my budget was around 1,500 max for per month because my salary was not that much. So 1,500 sharing with Popeye. Popeye is the best guy to share your place with because he gets massages, oil massages time to time from people. You go in the house and table, this thing will have oil, this thing will have oil. Everything is oily, and
Oh,
I
Papa is
came
the
back
best-
from the
the best.
vacations. Huh?
The best guy to live with because he doesn't give a care in the world.
Yeah.
You know when you were throwing up, I've been calling him, he's sleeping up the bunk. He's just there sleeping, and then Harish came and made you.
One night I was so sick, she bring me back home. He's sleeping on the top bunker and he's
I've
just
been calling
sleeping there.
him, but he's not answering. He's just sleeping.
There was fun times in Dubai. Dubai has a lot of fun times. बड़ा क्या करती वो सामने लगा ले वो सामने Arabian Nights, Arabian Nights. Let's go grandiose. We buy some stuff, maybe or maybe not, because grandiose is expensive as well, no? It's expensive than the Viva and day to day. You know, all these bougie shops have bougie stuff.
See?
5 dirham for muffin chocolate.
You want? So later you will not ask me.
Buy the chocolate. Khosan. Buy the khosan. What's this? What's this bread? Olive rustic. Best seller. 2 point. Yeah, this one. Buy this. Buy more. I'll bring also.
In
Huh?
Pakistan?
Yeah, 5-5.
Get the
5-5. Where's the basket? So the thing is, I was seeing these two girls from Pakistan in the mall, and I was happy to see. Like 1 minute. Let's switch hands. Yeah, muffin also. 5 of this. Let's bring this muffin 2.75 dirham. 5 लेके जाते हैं और जाके उधर देंगे लोगों को. क्या बोलते हैं हमें? Souvenir. What do you call this? Souvenir? It's like chocolate. Instead of chocolate, ये दे दो. बच्चे खाते हैं ये भी शौक से. मेरे ख्याल से 2-3 घंटे की फ़्लाइट होती है, बंदा इजीली जो है वो ख़राब नहीं होंगे, पहुंच जाएंगे.
575.
Haribo, you do it. How do you give it? 1 by 1? 1 to each kid? Huh?
How many kids are there?
5 maybe, 5 or 6.
We'll put it
My
in
neighbors
a,
only.
we put it in a, the Ziploc.
Ziploc?
The transparent one.
Uh-huh. What else? This?
These the worms.
This is what? What is this?
Gummy worms.
Worms? This is worms. Gummy worms. They'll be scared. Nama, why are you doing
Okay.
this to the kids?
Gummy worms. It's a sin.
Okay? That's it?
When will you get it ready? Okay.
आप चेक करो ना कैसे खूबसूरत तरीके से सब्जियां रखी हैं फ्रेश. अच्छा, मुझे एक बंदा बता रहा था, कहता है कि ये सब्जियां जो है ना, जैसे कि धनिया है, प्याज है और पुदीना है और ऐसी चीज़ें जो एक दिन में ख़राब हो जाती हैं, वो सेम डे ये लोग उठा लेते हैं और रिप्लेस कर देते हैं नई चीज़ें, और पुरानी जितनी भी है सारी फेंक देते हैं और रखते नहीं हैं. तो ये चीज़ें जो है ना, ये यहाँ पे ये इस क्वालिटी कंट्रोल बड़ा बेहतरीन है यहाँ पे. हाँ,
300 grams.
put it here. Let's go. They have their own cafe. Juices, fresh juices भी हैं. कितने का है? 330 ml का 7.9 का है. मशीन रैप की हुई है, मेरे ख्याल से नई मशीन. ये बिल्कुल नई मार्केट है. सेब अच्छा होगा कि माल्टा अच्छा होगा इस टाइम. गर्मी है और मैंने अभी कॉफ़ी पी है, पर मुझे बड़ी सख्त तरह लगी हुई है. तरह की वजह से मुझे ये लेना पड़ेगा. 7.5 एप्पल रॉयल गाला. अच्छा, एक और मज़े की चीज़ है, यहाँ पे दुनिया के हर कंट्री से फ्रूट, हर कंट्री की जो है चीज़, हर कंट्री का जो है वो गोश्त मिल जाता है ईजीली. अभी यहाँ कोई है ही नहीं. Nobody is here, so we have to go. ठीक है, इससे अंदर ही कैसे बनाए हुए हैं साथ कैसा. Nobody is on that side.
Wait, what you want there?
Juice, the orange. It's the same. I was willing to get the fresh one.
Yeah, that one is the first. This one. Yeah, that one. Pineapple, I think.
Pineapple,
Watermelon.
watermelon.
Yeah, same. There's melon tenderon. This one is today.
Today?
Yeah, it's a fresh.
Yeah, that's why it was half white and half red. Huh?
Yeah, because the
Yeah, it
color
felt,
is
yeah.
But it's new.
It's new? Sorry. Okay, I'll get this one. Today, right? The counters are getting better and better every day in supermarkets. The new supermarkets actually. The lights, see the aesthetics, as they call aesthetics, right? Hawkins and hair conditioner, shampoo, this and that. Getting better every day. And just buy some few things. Now the last thing I have to buy is the vape and some vape liquid, and I'll bring it with me, and then we are done. Today we are on also 50 FPS. This is 50 FPS, 4K, and ultra wide. Yeah, ultra wide still. Ultra wide is what I find is the best one. It gives my face the shape like more slim shape. Otherwise my face is pretty white. चौड़े मुंह वाला इंसान है मैं। देख रहे ना, साफ़ सुथरे बेहतरीन तरीके से हर चीज़ जगह पे, रोटी तर्तीला। लो साथ पहुँच आए हैं अब हम एयरपोर्ट पे। अब जो है ये पुश इट अफ्तार भी दे रहे हैं सामने, और अंदर जाते हैं, चेक करते हैं। कल जो काम करने से सारे कर लिए थे, भूल गए हम क्या क्या किया क्या क्या नहीं, बट सब हो गया था। तो अब देखो इंशाल्लाह पहुँचते हैं आज रात में वापस, माँ का सलाम करते हैं जाके।